Hi guys, Namaste. This is Shalini and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making Kerala style Avial, which is a traditional mixed vegetable curry and it is one of the important dishes in a Kerala Sadya. It makes use of many seasonal vegetables and it is healthy and flavorful. With Onam in full swing, I really hope that you'll try out this recipe at home. Here are the vegetables that is required for making avial. We need yam or chena, shallots or coarsely, taro root or chamber, snake gourd or Padavalanga, yellow cucumber or Vellarikka, raw plantain or etakaya, a small carrot, 4 to 5 beans, and a couple of drumsticks or Muringakka. You can also add vegetables like pumpkin, that is matanga, brinjal, that is Vardhananga, ivy gourd or Coarse, and potato, that is Urlakaranga. All the vegetables for avial are chopped lengthwise like long finger chips. They should be chopped moderately thick and about 2 inches long. This is one of the important features of an avial curry. The vegetables used for making avial have different cooking times, and since yam or chena needs more time to cook, we are going to cook it separately until 3/4 done. In a cup of water seasoned with salt, turmeric powder and some curry leaves. Now we are going to coarsely grind a couple of ingredients: a cup of grated coconut, a teaspoon of cumin, a few shallots, green chilies, and curry leaves. We are not going to add any water, we are only going to coarse grind. Now keep it aside. To make avial, heat a pan and add about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add the sliced shallots and saute for a couple of minutes. Add all the veggies except taro and the cooked yam. Combine them well and saute for a couple of minutes more. Sauteing in coconut oil will enhance the flavor. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and chili powder. Mix well. And add about a 1/4 cup of water. Mix again and cover and cook until the vegetables are half done. Add taro, that is chamber. Combine again and cover and cook for a couple of minutes more. Now add the cooked yam and mix well. Cover and cook for a couple of minutes more. Check for seasoning and combine gently. Add about 1/8 cup of tamarind pulp and add the coarsely ground coconut mixture. Cover and cook for a few more minutes. If you do not have tamarind pulp, you can always add a cup of beaten sour curd. Add about a tablespoon of coconut oil to finish off. Mix well and serve hot. Kerala style avial is ready. For a detailed printable version of the recipe, please check the link in the description box below. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.